Hi, this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video, I will tell you about fungal infection. Fungal infection is also called as mycosis. Any infection caused by fungus is called as fungal infection. It is very common in peoples, especially during rainy weather and summer season. It is seen that people are suffering from this fungal infection since very long time, and now it's become incurable. In spite of taking lots of medications like steroids, antifungal cream, ointment, spray and powder, but fungal infection doesn't cure. If it cure, then reappear again and again. So in this video, I will tell you about a very effective homeopathic medicine to cure your fungal infection permanently. Also, I will tell you about what is fungal infection, what are the causes of fungal infection, and what are the risk factors, and what are the symptoms and types of fungal infection, and also very effective useful homeopathic medicine to cure your fungal infection permanently. So video is very informative, to watch till the end. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are watching my video for the first time and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel or also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Let's discuss about what is fungal infection. Any infection caused by the fungus is called as fungal infection. It is also called as mycosis. In medical terminology, fungal infection is also called as tinea. Tinea are caused by the dermatophytes fungus. Fungus are the microorganisms which are found everywhere in the planets, in air, water, soil, even in our body. It is normally present in our body with the dead cells of hair, skin, nails and scalp. It is not harmful to us, but in some favorable condition, it grows rapidly and cause the infection. Let's discuss about types of the fungal infection. There are many types of fungal infection are found according to body parts. The number one is Tinea corporis. Tinea corporis is also called as ringworm. It is a infection caused by fungus, not by worm. It is called as ringworm because of their lesions are found in the shape of ring, and these are very itchy and found in everywhere our body, where in the body, like in the folds of the skin, bends of the joint. It is found in abdomen, groin region, genitals, bend of knee, bend of elbow, neck region and under breast. The second type is Tinea capitis. When the fungal infection affect our scalp, it is called Tinea capitis. Number 3 is the Tinea barbi. When the fungal infection affect our beard region, it is called as Tinea barbi. Number 4 is the Tinea pedis. When the fungal infection involve our legs, it is called as Tinea pedis. It is also called as athlete foot. And the fifth type is Tinea cruris. Tinea cruris, it is also called as jock itch, and these lesions are found in genitals, inner thighs and buttocks. And the last and the sixth type is the yeast infection. It is an infection caused by a Candida albicans fungus. If this fungus infect our mouth and throat, it is called as oral thrush. The lesions are in the form of white patches. And the second type is the vaginal candidiasis. When this fungus infect our vagina, it is called as vaginal candidiasis. There is a discharge, there is a thick whitish discharge, and also there is burning and itching in the vagina area. Third type is the diaper rash, which is also a fungal infection. So these were the types of the fungal infection. Let's discuss about the symptoms of the fungal infection. There are red, itchy, circular rings are found everywhere our body according to the parts, and these lesions are the very itchy. They are stinging and burning sensation, and the margins of the rings are raised and thick, and the central part is smooth. These are very itchy and found in everywhere our body. So these were the symptoms of the fungal infection. Let's discuss about what is the cause and the risk factor of the fungal infection. A fungal infection is a very contagious disease, and it is spread by the direct contact, skin to skin contact. It is spread by the sharing others things like t-shirt, bed sheet, shoes, comb, shaving razors. Even it is spread by the pets, because pets have also fungal infection. For the fungal infection, the most important cause is that the moisture or damp weather or humidity, because the fungus grow very well in humid atmosphere. And the second is the excessive sweating, and the third is the unhygienic condition. And if you are diabetic, then you are more prone to the fungal infection, because Sugar is a very good medium for fungus growth. And the second is, if our immunity is poor, then we are more prone to the fungal infection. So these were the causes, symptoms and the risk factors of the fungal infection. Let's talk about the homeopathic medicine. Today I will tell you a very effective homeopathic medicine according to your fungal infection. So first medicine will be the Graphitis 30. It is indicated for the tinea corporis when the lesions are found everywhere in the body, like genitals, inner thighs, bends of joints, knee joints, elbow joints and fold of skin under breast. You can use this medicine. The lesions are reddish, itchy and there is burning and stinging pain in the lesion, then you can use Graphitis 30. And also, if you have the problem of fungal infection on your toes are involved, your legs are involved, then you can use Graphitis. 4 drops of Graphitis directly on tongue, morning, evening and noon. Take the next medicine will be the Tellurium. Tellurium is also a very good medicine for the fungal infection. If your lesions are very big in size and very itchy and there are stinging and burning sensation after scratching, then you can use Tellurium. Take 4 drops of Tellurium thrice in a day, morning, noon and evening. Take this medicine at least for 1 month. The third medicine is the Basilinum. Basilinum is also a very effective medicine for the fungal infection, especially if you have the tendency of fungal infection, you have the problem of fungal infection again and again, then you can use the Basilinum. Take Basilinum in a 200 potency. Take single dose every week. And the next medicine will be the Thuja. If you have the lesion on your beard region, then you can use Thuja. Take Thuja in 30 potency, 4 drops of Thuja directly on tongue, morning, evening and noon. Take medicine for a 1 month. The next medicine will be the Megaerium. Megaerium is also a very good effective medicine for the fungal infection, especially if you have the fungal infection on your scalp, then you can use Megaerium. Use Megaerium in a 30 potency. Take 4 drops directly on tongue, morning, evening and noon for the 1 month. And the next medicine will be the Borax. If you have the oral thrush and the fungal infection affect your mouth and throat region, then you can use the Borax. Use Borax in a 30 potency, 4 drops directly on tongue for a 1 month. And the next medicine will be the Pulsatilla. If you have the vaginal candidiasis and you have the vaginal discharge, the discharge is very sticky, thick whitish color and they are very itching and burning sensation in vagina, then you can use Pulsatilla. Pulsatilla is a very good medicine for vaginal candidiasis. Take Pulsatilla in a 30 potency, 4 drops directly on tongue, morning, evening and noon. Take this medicine for 1 to 2 months. So friends, this was the homeopathic medicine for the fungal infection. You can use medicine according to your fungal type or according to your symptoms. Now let's talk about what are the prevention for the fungal infection. Fungal infection is a contagious disease, so you have to avoid direct contact to other person. Avoid using others things like t-shirt, pads, shoes, comb, shaving razors, and improve your immune system and control your blood sugar level. And also take this medicine. Definitely you will get very good results. So friends, this was the discussion about the fungal infection. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.